never gave up on me. I was full of ambition but stuck on E. All that hate in my heart had no love for me. The depression play part now is fuck on me. I got love for nobody, no one but me. It's selfish but I gave too much.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys 8 products that I recommend in an advanced makeup kit. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I'm going to start off with the setting powders that I absolutely love, which are the Laura Mercier. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but Mercier. The first shade that I use is the translucent medium deep powder, and this is for the my dark skin babes. You can screenshot it to get it in your kit if you're interested in it. The second shade that I use is the translucent honey, and the translucent. This one is for more so my fair skin tone girls, and this one is for my brown skin girls. So I've tried Sacha Buttercup, and I also tried Derma Blend, and I also was trying only the translucent Laura Mercier on all skin types, but I figured out that you're not supposed to use just that one translucent powder on all skin types, because they're going to be looking like white. Yeah, so they're going to be like looking white instead of, you're supposed to use their skin type on them with the setting powders. So that's the 3 shades that I got in the setting powders, and those are the only 3 shades actually, so it shouldn't be hard for you to find, and those are $39 a thing. So we're gonna move on to concealers, and I absolutely love the MAC Pro Long concealers. They're amazing. I've been using them on myself for quite a while. And then the second, these are actually the first best concealers that I'll always go for concealing the under eye. Concealing the under eye is the Tarte Tape Shape, and the one that I really use the most is Tan Sand, and I'll mix it with something else, like Tan Deep Honey or something like that. But I absolutely love Tarte, their concealer. Like, I love it. Like, if you don't have it, you definitely need to get it inside of your kit. It blends absolutely well, and it just have the under eye just looking amazing. So the next concealer that I was kind of slept on, and I use these to conceal my brows. These are amazing. They're very mattifying once you put them under the eyebrow, and they're really hydrating, as you could see. That's what they're for. They're a hydrating Camo concealer. I love it. Like, I really do. I was sleeping on e.l.f. These are inexpensive. They were only like $6 a bottle. Guys, the Tarte Tape Shape are $29 a bottle. The MAC Pro Long concealers are $27 a bottle, I believe. I will try to put all the prices down below. But like I said, these are, well, besides these are, well, you can use these in your advanced kit, but these are very, for advanced makeup artists. I mean, if you're a beginner, you can use it, but I really wouldn't recommend, a beginner using these very expensive products. If you're just a beginner and you really don't know what you're doing, I would definitely recommend sticking to drugstore related products. But okay, moving on to setting sprays. So these are my holy grail. So at first I was using this. really don't know why I stopped using it and tried the Morphe. I might have got it from another makeup artist, but I used to use this all the time on all of my clients. It was my go-to. I stayed stocking up on the Fix It Plus. The Fix It Plus is, I believe, 20. Well, I'm not even sure. It's probably 30 something a bottle. So I'm not sure, because MAC has gone up on their prices a lot. But I stay using the Fix It Plus, but I just don't like the way it sets the face anymore. I don't know if it's just me or the Morphe just really did it for me. But yeah, I absolutely love the Morphe setting spray. As you can see, I have 6 bottles back there, and I'm definitely going to order more because I don't want to run out of it. Excuse me. I absolutely love this. I love the way it finishes the face. I love the way it smells, and you guys just get it, because you'll see what I'm talking about by comparing it to, if you have the MAC Fix It Plus, you will see what I'm talking about as far as the Morphe setting spray. Like, I just love it. I love the way it sets the face as well. And it was $16 a bottle, so it's definitely way cheaper than the Fix It Plus, and it does an amazing job, and I like it way better than the Fix It Plus from MAC. So the next thing is the MAC Prep and Prime. That was $42 a bottle, guys. I like the way, because it's used for dry skin and oily skin. I like the way it does, because I use it to prep my client's skin. I like it, but it really is expensive. But I don't really feel like it gets the job done as much as I would want to, and I don't feel like it controls all of the oils in the client's face. I would keep having to put, powders and things like that to make sure that face is actually concealed in the setting spray. So I'm gonna try to use Milk of Magnesium and see how that works. If you are a makeup artist, you know exactly what I'm talking about. A lot of makeup artists use Milk of Magnesium, but if you want to get this and try it and just try it, I will recommend it. But for me, I don't really know, but this is just what I use as of now on my clients' skin to prep their skin. So moving on to the foundations, guys. I absolutely love the Nars foundation. I have 6 colors, as you can see. I'm gonna add maybe two more because these are clearly for my brown skin and dark skin babes. I want to expand my color collection to fair skin tones as well. I love this foundation. Like, it is the best. It costs $49 a bottle. Yes, it's very expensive, but if you are charging $100 or more for a makeup application, I really just personally feel like you should invest in a better foundation for your clients. So I personally, that's just something I think. I personally do not use the Maybelline or any drugstore foundation on my clients anymore. Don't get me wrong, I still do have some Maybelline back there. This was my go-to when I was charging $45, okay, honey? I don't charge $45 anymore. I charge $100 or whatever. And yes, my prices will go up, but I'm not gonna do a price increase until sometime next year. But I just personally feel like, this Nars foundation is way better than this foundation. Don't get me wrong, the Maybelline foundation is great, but it's not the best to me. This is more so for a beginner kit. To me, I don't really know. I do think that a lot of MUAs do use drugstore foundation or whatever, but that's just them. I'm not gonna, use a $5 foundation and be charging my clients $100 or more. Like, I want them to get their money's worth. So that's why I invested into my kit. So it's like once I did, faces, I'll invest that money back into my kit. or whatever. I'm just not gonna charge you guys $100 or more and be using $5 foundation, $6 foundation. Like, I can't. I don't care how good, you know, a makeup artist is. I just feel like that's just being really cheap to your clients. That's just my opinion, you know. Please don't take it the wrong way. That's just my opinion. So yeah, I definitely love the Nars foundation. So they are expensive, like I said, but you don't have to get them all at once. You can buy one at a time and, you know, just build on your kit. And just build on your kit. So these are my babies. I absolutely love MAC MAC Studio Fix foundation. I've been using this. This was the first non-drugstore foundation that matter of fact, this was actually the first foundation I've ever put on my face. I didn't even start using drugstore foundation until after Maybelline started to get like popular in the makeup community. I love MAC foundation. I fell in love with it. It gives me skin. It goes on very well. It's just overall a great foundation, and this foundation is $33 a bottle, but you can catch them on sale sometimes. Like, they're on sale at Ulta for $25 a bottle. Sometimes MAC will have them on sale as well. I doubt you ever catch Nars on sale though. I'm not sure. I've never really seen it, but you'll definitely catch these on sale. I have a good decent shade range, which I absolutely love. I definitely have some for my fair skin tone babes. Yeah, I definitely have some for my fair skin tone babes. And then on down to my darker skin tone babes. I love this foundation, but yeah, that's pretty much everything that I feel like, you know, you guys should put inside of your advanced makeup kit. I personally feel like everything that I mentioned is great. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.
You should've never gave up on me. I was full of ambition but stuck on me. All that hate in my heart had no love for me. That depression play part now is fuck on me. I got love for nobody, no one but me. It's selfish but I gave too much.